This is the story of anchor management. My name is Jimmy Yoder. Follow me on my journey as I explore the oceans and document my adventures through a lens. Welcome aboard. Alright crew, welcome aboard to another video here on anchor management. In this video, we are going to discuss the cleat hitch. We have a cleat, we have a hitch. It's called the cleat hitch for a reason. Let's get right into it. My cleat is on a cinder block, tag end line on a big support post here, okay? Use your boat if you'd like. It doesn't hurt to practice before you get out on the water, okay? Here we go. Come at the cleat from your boat at an angle. Look what happens if you're coming straight on. Wind, swell, dunzo, okay? At an angle, look at wind, swell, yep, not a chance, okay? At an angle, around the cleat half a time, no more, no less. Over the cleat, around the cleat, and under the cleat, forming half a figure eight. Doesn't that look like half a figure eight? Sure does. Switch hands, palm facing up, thumb pointing forward. I'm on the right side of the cleat, right hand, nice, okay? Tag end with my left hand, boom, flip, point to yourself, lay on top, and cinch, okay? It is as easy as that. This is the most utilized hitch in the maritime industry, so do it right. There is one way. I'm going to show you some wrong ways in a minute. There is one way to do this correctly, okay? Here we go. At an angle, around the cleat, half a time. Over the cleat, around the cleat, and under the cleat, forming half a figure eight. Look at that. It looks so nice. Okay, switch hands, palm up, thumb towards the boat, flip, point to yourself, lay on top of the cleat, and cinch. Boom. It's not going anywhere. You notice how these two lines are parallel? Yeah, that's a good thing. And look, all of your tagline here, it's laying on the dock, okay? You can coil that up all nice. What you do not want to do is go the opposite way, okay? When these two lines are on top of each other, this phrase, it'll snap your line in your boat, again, dunzo, okay? I don't even like looking at it. Let's flip that around, okay? There we go. Okay, looks like this, easy as that. Slow motion, sure. At an angle. Around the cleat, half a time. The base of the cleat, whatever. Over the cleat, around the cleat, and under the cleat. Half a figure eight. Switch hands. Tag end with your left. Flip, point to yourself, okay? And cinch, okay? That's what it should look like. That's the only way to do it correctly, okay? If you're doing two locking hitches like this part right here, that flipping motion, that's the locking hitch. If you're doing more than one of those locking hitches, just don't do it. It's so unnecessary. One locking hitch is plenty. I've done it hundreds of thousands of times. Literally, ask my mom. Okay? Here we go. This is the wrong way. Okay? I've seen a lot of people do it this way. This is the wrong way. So, do it the right way. Here we go. Here's the wrong way. That's the wrong way to tie the cleat hitch, crew. Don't do it this way. Okay, here we go. One last time, good measures. Everybody do it with me here. Go down to your boat if you're not already. Grab a practice cleat like I am. I'm in my room because I'm bored. Okay, here we go. At an angle, around the cleat, half a time. Boom, over, around, and under, half a figure eight. Boom, stop, no more figure eights. Okay, locking hitch time. Thumb out, thumb in. Woo! Look how nice that is. Okay, doesn't that look sexy? Yeah, it does. Go practice it, do it the right way. I promise you, it'll keep you, your boat, the dock, everybody around you safe if you're doing it this way. It will not slip, okay? It will not slip. Just look. It's a heavy boat. That's like a 92-foot Viking over there. Okay? Do it the right way. Crew, be safe out there. Have fun and go practice. Cheers.